get camera ready here. Lois Threlkel. I'm with the legalshield.com, and what we do is we give people affordable access to our law firms. We have a network of law firms all around the United States. It's every area of law. It's very, very affordable. It's about $1 a day. That's where the starting point is for our services. It's unlimited advice and telephone consultations. It's letters and phone calls made on your behalf. And we handle contract, document review, stuff like that. All this is, get your will done, for sure, because it's not if, it's when. And yeah, you can visit us at ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Thank you.